Hello everyone. Today we will see ChatGPT examples. Okay. See, I am creating one case, means one prompt. I am giving a prompt ideas. So suggestions to the ChatGPT search engine. So write a test case for last name field. So I am giving some suggestions to the ChatGPT search engine. Means I am prompting the ChatGPT search engine. Okay. See. So write a test case for last name field. Okay. So I will tell them that in a tabular form. Okay. So for very clear understanding, I will say in tabular form. Tabular format. Okay. 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 Two test cases. Four test cases. Okay. It has generated four test cases. Right. So I'm prompting in multiple ways and different ways. I'm giving the suggestion to ChatGPT search engine in different ways. Control V. So think to and think like a tester. Think like a tester. See, we will verify both. Okay. See, see first one here in this table format valid last name, invalid last name numbers, invalid last name special characters, empty name. Okay. While last name. So how many it has given? See, four, only four test cases. When it comes to tester, think like a tester. Hmm. Last numbers, four, your last name, and again six, two more test cases add last name, single character. Okay. Now what I'll do? I will prompt and think like a team lead. See, I think like a team lead. So one is think like a tester. One more suggestion I am giving, think like a team leader. How the lead is going to think. So here, last name with leading and tailing white spaces. Last name with a single character. White spaces. So tester and lead has given the same output. And also you need to observe one thing here. See here, ChatGPT can make mistakes, check important info. So that's why human intervention is required. So even if the test cases are given by ChatGPT, a little modification can be done by the users or testers who are using ChatGPT. They have to do a little bit modifications. That is mandatory. Okay. I think my system. Okay. Got hang. Okay. My system is very slow. Okay. It got hang. I think like a manager. I'm giving think like a manager. Like a type, my system is very slow today. And think like a manager. Okay. I will reshare the screen. My system got hanged. Okay, I think my system is getting hang. So you guys can check what and all is coming. So you can check with this suggestion. Write test case for the last name field in table format and think like a manager. See, the ChatGPT wants the suggestions. Suggest we need to suggest to ChatGPT or we need to give a prompt to the ChatGPT. This is the way you need to search. Then ChatGPT will give the results accordingly. Okay. This is very important. What is the suggestion you are providing on the ChatGPT search engine? What is the prompt you are providing here? This is very important. And I think my system is hanged. You can try with this one. Okay. Thank you.